Hello. Welcome to part 2 of the do-it-yourself Fallout 4 Pipboy. And as in the previous video I showed you the UI, now in this video I will show you how it was actually made and what's inside. Now I've already unscrewed the stuff that's holding it together. Yeah, and that unscrewed, the whole thing is unscrewed. So, yeah, and so we begin with this thing, which is the charging cable. Yeah, so if you want to charge this Pipboy, you open it, unscrew, and then you charge it. And it has a lithium battery inside. I hope it doesn't explode. Yeah, okay. As I said earlier, in the previous video, I showed you how the UI worked. In this video, yeah, okay, maybe I don't want to say that again. So let's just get down to business. There we go. So this is the battery. The lithium battery I was just talking about. And now there's a Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is right there. The green board. Then, with all these wires, there's the screen. And this switch. 2 switches actually. Yeah. So, yeah, so now I'll tell you how we actually made this. So we took this model. From the store Spirit Halloween. Yeah, we did that. Then we took off the picture, which was on here. And then we cut a hole. In here so we could fit the screen. When I did that, I got the Python program from GitHub. It's called the Pypboy. Yeah, if you want to go see that, yeah, I have a link in the description. I also have a link to the previous video if you want to watch that and see how the UI works. So yeah. Then yeah, this latch to here, as I said in the previous part, we 3D printed it, and there's all this foam. Yeah, I think I need to re-glue those. So yeah, there we go. What's inside of the Fallout 4 Pipboy? Thank you for watching, and goodbye.